YouTube. Today we have a very special plan. I'm going to be making a mock-up, a hoodie mock-up that I've actually made in a 3D design applications called Clo 3D. You can make your own patterns and hoodie patterns and pants patterns and everything. So I took that pattern from Clo, printed it, cut it out. I have all the pattern pieces, and I'm going to use this piece of blanket to actually make the thing come to life. And yeah, I'm gonna try to spice it up a bit. Like maybe I can try to dye it or try to bleach it or something. We're gonna see what I can do with this hoodie, but that is the plan for today. I'm very excited, very hyped, because it's actually gonna be one of my first mock-ups for my clothing brand. So yeah, this is gonna be cool. It's not gonna take too long. I guess the longest part's gonna be prepping it and sewing it and clipping it all. But I'm really excited to do this. Hope you guys enjoy this journey with me.
Alright, I just wanted to hop on to talk that on Clo 3D, I could do a tutorial on Clo 3D, but yeah, I got all these prints from Clo 3D. I kind of just made my own mock-ups and designs, and then I took that and I printed it out using my Cricut Explorer, using this is cardstock, so I'll put it in the Cricut Explorer and it cut out all my panels instead of how usually people do it is they use like a screen and they kind of map it out. I use a full panel, but yeah, this is the process of me actually cutting the stuff and actually putting and assembling the parts together.
Cut out the arms for now, just the two arm panels I got. That's gonna be the hood. Oh, it's not focusing. That's gonna be hood. That's gonna be the pocket. This is gonna be the back, and then this is the front. I'm gonna cut all those out and stitch it back all together. I'll be back in one sec. Yeah, this is everything we have now. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, bro, and also follow the TikTok and Instagram, bro. We're trying to hit 1,000 on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. Alright, so we just finished cutting up all the pieces. So we got the two arms, that's the back and the front and the back, and then the hoodie pocket. I'm gonna sew it all now.
Okay, I know I've been giving like a montage of me just sewing here, but here I'm doing the hood. Practically done, but I'll show you guys the results in just one sec. And here we have it for now. This is how it fits. It fits super nice, super cropped, baggy. I just gotta put that pouch in, and I like the way the back sits. I gotta put my branding on, the Shack Shack branding, but for now, looking pretty fire. Can't complain. Let's see what I do. And here I am actually putting in the pocket. So I sewed the panels on the outside, lined it up, and here I'm gonna pin it down to where I want to sew it, and then I'll sew it accordingly. This is probably the most delicate process because it has to look at least somewhat clean. So it's very tedious, very annoying, but I really want my hoodie to have a pouch. So we gotta do what we gotta do here. So this is how the hoodie came out. Very pleased with the pouch and also the cuffed wrists. Same thing as last time, it just looks a little more cleaner now, a little more easy fitting, boxy fitting. And here's some hood action. Very pleased how that came out as well. here we go with essentially the finished product here. Nothing changed really, just the branding on the front, the Shack Jack, you can see. Yeah, I'm very pleased with how this came out for my first time ever making a mock-up, really, so it's really good. The hoodie obviously needs work. I don't want it to be so flimsy like that, but very pleased on how it fits and how it looks.
Alright, so I'm gonna take some product pictures with the new hoodie I made. But first I gotta clean all this up. So I'm gonna clean that up real quick.
And here we are, man. Yeah, if you want to take a look at the final product, just look at my Instagram.